Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. If you've ever wondered how AI actually works without getting lost in complex tech jargon, this video is for you. I'll explain the core concepts behind AI, how it learns, and why it's becoming such a big part of our daily lives. Let's get started. At its most basic, artificial intelligence is technology that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Unlike traditional computer programs that follow specific rules, AI systems can learn from data and improve over time. Think of it this way: traditional software follows instructions like a recipe, while AI is more like a student who learns from examples and gets better with practice. There are different types of AI. Narrow AI is designed for specific tasks, like the voice assistants on your phone, recommendation systems on streaming services, or even self-driving cars. These are what we use today. General AI, which could perform any intellectual task a human can, remains in the realm of science fiction for now. Most AI today uses machine learning, a method where systems learn patterns from data rather than being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a child by showing examples rather than explaining rules. The most powerful type of machine learning today uses neural networks, systems loosely inspired by the human brain. A neural network consists of layers of connected neurons that process information. As data moves through these layers, each neuron performs simple calculations and passes results to the next layer. Here's how an AI system learns. It starts with training data, examples of inputs, and desired outputs. The AI makes predictions based on the input. The system measures how far off its predictions are. It adjusts its internal parameters to do better next time. This process repeats thousands or millions of times. This is why AI needs so much data and computing power. It's constantly refining its approach by analyzing patterns across enormous data sets. You interact with AI more than you might realize. When your phone recognizes your face or voice, when streaming services recommend movies, when social media decides what to show in your feed, when your email filters out spam, when you use a language translator app. Each of these uses different types of AI specialized for specific tasks. Modern AI excels at finding patterns in massive datasets, processing information quickly, performing repetitive tasks without fatigue. But AI still struggles with true understanding of context, adapting to entirely new situations, emotional intelligence, creativity. This is why AI works best when partnered with humans, combining AI efficiency with human judgment. As AI continues to advance, we're likely to see more sophisticated systems that can better understand natural language, make more accurate predictions, work alongside humans in more complex fields like healthcare, science, and education. The goal isn't to replace human thinking, but to augment it, handling routine tasks while freeing people to focus on creative and uniquely human contributions. Artificial intelligence represents one of the most powerful technological shifts in human history. By understanding its basic principles, we can better prepare for a future where AI becomes an increasingly important part of our lives. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more explainers that break down complex topics into digestible bits. See you next time.